All right. Hey everybody, my name is Nia Simone and welcome to my channel. I am so excited to finally be a part of the YouTube community because I've been trying to make a channel for about 3 years and I either chicken out or I am lazy and I don't actually go through with it, and I'm so proud of myself for actually making this a New Year's resolution and actually getting on top of it, and here I am. Anyway, this video is going to be a winter try-on haul from several different stores that I went shopping this year because I bought a lot of winter clothes, and half of the ones that I'm actually about to try on I haven't even worn out yet because, well, one, I live in like a small college town, so it's like kind of weird if I like pop out in half of these items. I'm trying to figure out where exactly I could wear them, and I just feel like they need to be seen somewhere, so why not here? So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you later. Okay, so for this first item, it's just a really cute plain and simple striped shirt. It's collared and it has buttons on the top of it, and honestly on camera it kind of looks black and white, but this is navy blue if you can't tell. I absolutely love this shirt and I don't wear it enough. I wore it a couple times. It's from Target, which is super affordable, and I love it so much. It's so comfy and it kind of dresses up like any outfit basically that you want to look cute and like kind of put together but still be really casual and comfortable. And I literally always pair it with these jeans. These are my favorite pair of jeans from Boohoo, and they're like kind of baggy, they're ripped, and I absolutely adore them. I wear them with almost everything, honestly. But yeah, this is basically it. This is super simple and I absolutely adore this outfit. This next item is super basic. Everybody actually owns one of these like teddy type style jackets, and honestly I don't blame them because they're so warm and I get so many compliments anytime I wear this anywhere. It's super simple and it's like this really cute beige cream type of color, so you could really pair it with anything honestly if you would like to. This is actually one of my favorite colors to wear on myself because it complements my skin really well, and I mean it literally goes with anything. It's kind of like a quarter zip, so you could zip it all the way up if you want to, but again I think I look stupid if I do that, so I'm not going to. Super comfortable. Got it from Walmart. Again, super affordable. I know you're probably like, Walmart, what the hell? But I promise you this is like, there's nothing better than this. Okay, for this next one, this top is a little bit revealing, and I haven't worn it just because of that, really, because I absolutely love prints. I love prints, and you will actually get to see in the next couple of items that I show you that I am obsessed with prints as of now. But this is just so revealing to me, and I don't really have much to show off, so that's why I really just don't exactly know how to wear this. I know I could pair it with possibly like a lace bralette or bodysuit underneath it, and I do have a bralette and a bodysuit to pair under it, but I'm honestly just so lazy that I didn't feel like putting it on. But this is the top. It's from Shein and it's really affordable. It's not see-through and it kind of covers up, you know, what it needs to, so I think that it's doing its job. It's really cute. You could untie this and possibly tuck this into a pair of jeans if you would like to. I personally don't like that style, so I just decided to wear it just like this, and I absolutely love this top. I just don't know how to make it look a little less revealing, and where exactly I would wear it I have no idea, but absolutely love it, and you should go get it because it's really affordable. Okay, so now for something a little bit more conservative. This is one of my favorite outfits that I've put together, but I have not worn it. Nice. This skirt is from Shein, this top is from Shein, and this coat is from Target. So yes, I think that this outfit is so freaking cute. Honestly, you could do it without the coat if you would like as well. This is just a basic black turtleneck that I absolutely adore. Turtlenecks are one of my favorite statement pieces now. I don't know why I didn't listen to my mom when I was younger, because these were honestly so dope and I love them. They keep me warm, and this material is great. It's not too thin. It's actually really warm and really thick. And this skirt It's like a knit, and then it's got some fringe on the bottom and on the sides of the detailing. And I absolutely love this skirt. It is the perfect fit. Like, honestly, I've never felt something that has fit like a glove on me, and honestly this does. It fits great around the waist. It hugs the booty. It looks amazing. I absolutely love this, and I need to find somewhere to wear this outfit. I could wear it to work, but I feel like the skirt is a little too short. So I will figure that out, and hopefully you'll see some pics of this on the gram sometime soon because I love this outfit. What? This skirt is so freaking cute. I absolutely adore it. Still haven't worn it out, but it's fine. This is from Pretty Little Thing, and I absolutely love, love, love this print. I already said that before, but had to say it again for extra emphasis. It's super cute. It's like a flipped hem skirt, which is really weird because I never thought I would wear something like this. I kind of just wanted to like jump out of my comfort zone because I'm normally like, if I was to get a skirt, it would just be a pencil skirt, or it would just be like a regular denim skirt or something simple. And I just felt like I needed to get out of that, and I finally got this, and still haven't worn it, but it's fine. It's really, really cute and form-fitting, and I absolutely adore it, and here it is. Okay, back to the prints. These are one of my favorite items that I've actually purchased thus far. And these are so freaking cute, as you can already see. They are this like jersey material, kind of yoga pant material, flare pants. And yes, they flare out at the bottom. They make your body look great, I must say myself. They're a little big. I think I got a size 8 in these just because Pretty Little Thing is really, really weird with their sizes sometimes. Size 8 will fit me, sometimes it won't. Sometimes the size 6 will, sometimes it won't. So I just wanted to be safe because size 8s normally do me well, but they are a little baggy in this area. But it's okay. Like, I, honestly can deal with it. It's not too bad. But these are still one of my favorite pair of pants. And I absolutely love snake print. I love all types of prints right now, but these pants are it, and I absolutely love them. Surprise, I'm back with another print. Anyway, these are from Pretty Little Thing, and they are honestly the same material and same style as the pants I just showed you, the snake print ones. And these are just a different pattern, as you can see. These are dog tooth, that's what they're called. But they're really, really cute. Again, they're a little big in the crotch area, but it's okay, I can deal with it. They look great on the body. The only thing with these pants in particular, they're a little see-through, so I would make sure that you're wearing either a nude or a black pair of underwear or a thong, whatever you decide to choose, but I would definitely not wear any bright colors with this because they will show through. So I learned my lesson with that, but this is super cute, and I still love these pants. Thank you guys so much for watching my first video. I know it was probably a little rough, but of course that will get better as time comes and time goes, so bear with me. But I'm going to try to make videos once a week, and I already know that's going to be a mess, but anyway, we're going to try. And also, please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, or please subscribe to my channel. I look forward to making another video with you guys next week, and thank you so much. Bye! You see, I would show y'all like literally the entire outfit head to toe, but I've been wearing Crocs the entire video. We love a fashionable queen. If I walk out and pop out in like, a fur vest and some really like stunner jeans and what stunner? What is stunner? We're gonna try this one more time.